pull for Navia. Why not? I could go for it. See what happens. See if the game wants to be nice to me. The game does not want to be nice to me. First day back, it says, fuck you. Oh, hey! Oh, I like how they... Can I talk? Bitch, can I talk? For fuck's sake! Why are you talking still? She's still going! Oh my god! Are you done? See, I was gonna comment like, oh my god, they talk now when you pull them home. They didn't used to do that before. But damn, they gave her like a whole ass book to read. Shit!